Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add and use virtual desktops inside of Windows 10. Virtual, or multiple desktops or spaces, is a pretty useful feature that has been built into the Mac operating system for a while and is nice that the feature is now available inside of Windows. This feature makes working between multiple projects a lot easier by having different desktops set up for different purposes. To add a new desktop, select Task View on the taskbar. At the top of the screen, you'll see New Desktop. I'm using the latest release of Windows, but one of the previous releases had the New Desktop button located in the lower right. Either way, it'll be on this page. Select New Desktop and then you'll see Desktop 2 appear. Choose that and you'll be taken to the second desktop. I'll show you really quick how this looks when set up. I'll open Chrome on this desktop for example, and then select Task View at the bottom again. Now at the top, I'll select Desktop 1. In here, I'll go ahead and open a File Explorer window. Now by selecting Task View, I can quickly switch between the two desktops that I have going. An even easier and quicker way of switching though between the desktops is by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control and then either hitting the left or right arrow to scroll back and forth. And that's how you add and use virtual or multiple desktops inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.